Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to close your Acorns account. The first step I'd like you to take is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to acorns.com. Once you're in there, then click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address and password, then click login to access your account. Now, due to certain restrictions, I'm unable to create an account on Acorns, but notwithstanding, I'm going to walk you through the processes to get the job done. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile icon or your profile name, which is situated in the top right corner of your dashboard. Once you click on your profile icon or name, you're going to see a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Once you click on settings, it's going to take you to the settings menu. In the settings menu, click on My Subscription to view your subscription details. Now, in the subscription details view, scroll down to the Manage section. Then click on Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. Acorns offers various account types. Example, invest later early. Each account must be closed individually. In the My Subscription section for each account, locate the specific account you wish to close. Click on the account, either invest later or early. Click on Close Account. Then follow the prompts to confirm the closure of the account. After closing all individual accounts and canceling your subscription, ensure you receive confirmation emails for each closure. Retain these emails for your record. And that's it. You have successfully closed your Acorns account. Remember to ensure all individual accounts are closed and your subscription is cancelled to prevent any further charges. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.